Hi, this is Ted. I'm a CPA in Ontario and in BC. Now, one of the things I'm going to go over is like some of the key dates for tax for 2025. So, February 28th, you're going to have the T4s. These are for companies. Employers have to submit the T4 so that the employees will get their T4s. And then RSP for personal tax, that's going to be March 3rd. And for personal tax, it's April 30th. That's the T1. Now, self-employed people, they have to make the payments by April 30th and then file their returns by June 16th. Now, it's important that you make these payments, and one of the things that you can save money on is make the payments before you even have to report it so that you're not going to be subjected to penalties, and the penalties can be pretty deep for CRA. Then there's corporate tax. Corporate tax, this is a T2, which basically you have to file this 6 months after the fiscal year ends. So it might be that your fiscal year is not going to be the calendar year. That is, your fiscal year might not be December 12th. It might be something like June. So if it's June 30th, then it's going to be 6 months afterwards, which would be the end of the year, December. Then there's GST. The GST, it depends. Now, if you're unincorporated, then there's the annual filing, and you'd submit this by June 16th. And if you owe money for GST and HST, then you make that payment by April 30th. For corporations, that's 3 months after your year end. So again, like I said before, it depends on when your year end is. And then there's also those who make quarterly payments. That is 1 month after the payment. Now, I do taxes, I do the bookkeeping, I do the finances, and if you want to have your taxes done or bookkeeping, you can contact me. The QR code is there on the bottom on the left side. Again, it's Ted Lem. I'm a CPA in Ontario and BC.